Check out this GMC 2013 Sierra 2500 HD SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include heavy-duty handling trailering suspension package, heavy-duty trailering equipment, skid plate package, SLT Convenience Package, 7 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, AM/FM stereo WCD player MP3 playback, Bose premium audio speaker system feature and CD player. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.